Hi everyone, good to see you on the channel how to use it, and in that video we learn about two functions in Google Spreadsheets. It's SUMIF and COUNTIF. Let's go to see how to use it. And for show this function I need to edit my table, and for example I rename this sheet into employees. Then I add one column left, departments, and I want edit first row, so I freeze on the first row. Then for our new function we have to edit and put it some employees to some departments, for example HR, developer, and duplicate some position. That is enough. And we switch to first sheet. Let's rename it. And we can type all departments what we have. So I think I don't forget any positions, but we can add in any time. Imagine situation when we have to calculate how many hours work any department and how salary they have. And now we are ready to start using these functions. Let's start from first department. SUMIF, and we can see the structure of our function. We have to choose range where we can find some information. Then second part, it's what we search in that range. And third attribute, we can summarize some numbers. So let's switch to employees. We can choose B column, comma. Then we find HR, comma, and we calculate work hours in that range. Close our brackets, enter. We didn't find any information because we have to edit our function, our formula, in that way. Because it's a text. When we have information about people who work in that department and they worked 315 hours. Let's pull it in the other departments, but we have to change some information. For example, I have to change marketing in that formula, and the same in other cells. And we also can calculate salary with using the same formula. If you think we can pull it, it's not correct, because our columns switch to neighbor columns. So we have to copy this formula, escape, and input that formula in that cells. After that, let's see, we have salary for first week. For example, we can calculate the salary from column F. F. Pull it down and change departments. So in finish we have this information, but what about another function, COUNTIF? For example, in that situation we can calculate how many HR manager, marketing person in departments, how many people in developer department. Let's start writing this formula. COUNTIF. We can type it range, for example, employees B2B. We can copy it, comma, and HR, enter. We have 3 HR employee in that department. Let's pull it down and edit for other departments. So we can see some information about our company, about how many hours, how many salary we pay for our team, and how many members in our team. Maybe it's not real situation, but it helps you to use these functions. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up to this video, go to another video with describe Google Sheets. You can see that video on the screen right now. See you in the next video.